before sikhuluma ne uMahlatsi uDosa isigqoko saseRussia.
AkuseRussia.
Uzeleni la.
Because kapapa. Maybe pictures akho primary so that
uDennis bokudeni.
I was dating someone and I didn't know that they were gay.
What are the crazy things you have experienced to be all girls?
Nelimunyana ne.
Phela ngihlanye ikhanda ifithi thina sine testosterone.
Testosterone.
Or King the Simmons or King
Simpsons.
The Simpsons, yeah.
Oh, the Simmons.
I see.
Abangale simene nje. Umuntu ekhaya vele wayanganayo urugby. Like i-rape ibad movie.
Ntanga, what's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done?
Yeah, tell us, Gifty.
Roller.
No, about
Rolling.
What episode about?
I don't know.
What episode?
Dog, we've been recording, dog.
Channel podcast.
Chincha iPod.
Episode.
Yeah.
And I did this
Last week. Wrong side, yeah.
Channel podcast. Episode 20 something. Action.
Okay, first things first before sikhuluma ne uMahlatsi uDosa isigqoko saseRussia.
AkuseRussia.
Where is the vodka?
I wondered. Milikov.
Imayikidane.
Tell us, Milikov.
Entang, lento le ithi donate le awu ish.
Hi.
What's the
What's the
new week?
New episode.
New
Zaza. Okay guys,
We just in the east.
sibuyile.
Yeah.
Mara besingayanga ndawo mos.
We never left.
Yeah. Namhlanje sinomunye usisi. Sisi sicela uzintroduce.
Hey, Mama, we suck at introduction.
Yeah, that's why ngona introduce yabona.
Yeah.
Sikaba shy camera nke bawuloma.
Hi. Kenda Palisa. And there's nothing interesting.
Uzeleni la.
Because kapapa.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wena washashalaza.
I wouldn't say kyashashalaza, but kya commenta mo botshwanetse ke comment ko teng.
Shashalaza.
Thina sifuna abantu abashashalazayo la. Mawuzothula athi isimumu unokuphi che. Mara, it's nice to have you. You said what's your name?
Palisa.
Oh, where's my phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, my brother.
Yeah, my brother, how are you?
Sisters. Hey, umazi bomtholile.
Mntwana. Oh, what's like? Lento besirious le.
Guys, what if Mazwina ile kushuga mami?
No, bathulimele. Yeah.
The picture?
Mina ngizwe ngesource.
No, there's a picture that was circulating on Facebook, right?
Okay.
Whereby he was shutile anali two gangsters. So they were like,
Umazi berasha heist.
So I think lento ikhuluma it also boils down to lento yokuthi bathi umazi apparently he faked the whole thing.
yeah, that's what they.
So you believe ukuthi he faked it?
I don't know, I don't know because I didn't even know about this whole Mazwi thingy until like it gained more momentum.
Yeah, on the I saw as well.
Then by it's about the strike leading, that's when I knew can't go na le motho la tlhagileng, but e rile ba bua gore ba fetso mo grey, right? And then no, people didn't believe because they were like, why ba sa monka picture of the state that he was in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they only got the a comment from the family member. Babu no ba misitse tele, and then he was wasn't looking okay, what.
So you think ukuthi like they're just framing Amakula just to fuel this thing ukuthi Amakula wahan?
That I don't know.
Exactly. Like why would you fake a kidnapping, dog?
People have their own reasons, hey? People have their own reasons. Sometimes like you'd find maybe it's a prank because you can never know.
Okay, but I need to know the story Sagamaz. Uguti like he was getting threats because we got fully shop and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's
Do you
what
know
they
the story
say. Yeah,
Sakon?
that's what I read.
Yeah, so you telling me Uguti if let's say Uti I fake Lentole, he faked it from that. Uguti like I'm a threat and stuff like that. Up until I'm kidnapped.
I don't want to say that he was faking it, right? Because
Okay.
we don't know the full story, right?
Okay.
Re bala se ba re bolelang sona,
Okay.
or what we get from the social media, but yeah.
Mina ngizongumuntu.
Utheni?
Uhlekani?
Ay,
On Monday I was with Mahlatsi eForce.
Okay.
Khona le outlet bethengisa ama lace ayikhumbula le ya Mahlatsi. Le outlet ithi umazimpi yakhe.
Okay.
Uthi vele ulimele.
Ulimele like umshayile ulimele.
Yeah.
Do.
Ay. Like bamkeqile boy.
Eish.
Yeah.
So
Uyamaboko.
akakushayanga ngestory nyani ukuthi like
Nah.
what was the reason?
What I was looking for mina ne bengifuna ukuthi untwana ngitholele ama number wakhe sizomfonela
Sizomfonela, eh.
asitshela ukuthi kuhambeni.
But who the voice uthe bayazosihlanganisela amanamba akhe.
Ngibona naye ngithi uyagraduate la eish.
Shout out the voice.
Yeah, the voice
Graduate,
graduate
that's
namhlanje
nice.
guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it delay. Yabona sas delay already so
Hey, true.
yeah.
But hey, moving on, Joe.
Yeah.
Hey. Mara mina, hey, lenda bagamazi young stress. But then what did you see during the week? Anything
Interesting.
interesting you saw during the week?
Anything what you say is scratching your balls. What's it? Anything tickling your balls. Yeah.
Anything
Yeah.
tickling your my balls, dog.
Ow.
So I can't
Or
relate.
do you?
Was
No,
it
I
not?
don't have.
These days you don't insinuate, Baba. Just because you have hey.
New age,
Hey.
new era.
Hey. Just because you have this doesn't
Hey.
mean you don't have
Hey,
that.
fine. Hey,
Ulahanda.
which country is that one? Liberty, like, you have to be like really like alert in terms of
Scotland.
no, it's not Scotland. I think it's one of those Asian countries.
It's not-
You have to be alert about what?
ukuthi
Ama-transgender.
like transgender.
Bathi the way amaningi ngakhona.
Amaningi
la.
akhona like
You wouldn't
Oh,
yeah, you
like
wouldn't be-
Asia, I think.
Where khona?
Where they do it with makeup.
No, like transgender maningi.
transgender money, and by transgender we mean like but trans
Full
like
on transgender.
bachinche everything.
Yeah.
Their
That's why,
boobs and like
guys, when you date somebody these days, you must ask for baby pictures.
oh and
Baby
very
pictures. The pictures are called primary. So like.
uDennis bokudeni.
yo mara you crazy.
Chile a country. I see the country that you're talking about.
Like what would you do ne when a staff uthi utshela nomuntu and then find out ukuthi transgender and it's like so jolly nice courtesy so mdli
Sengimdlile
nyama
nyama. Ngizomdamba fede ne. But I won't be mad about it.
oy
Ngijile new stuff Joe. Yintsha lento.
I don't
Brand new.
mina ngithusazi manje like kunzima nokuthi like manje ngikhulume nomuntu like randomly.
Yeah.
It's really hard because now, hey, you have to check with hey, namabele, nalo nganamabele so yasho. Hey, mara what if?
What if yeah. Khona lo wahlala la ePonong.
Ah,
Hey.
man.
Akusi transgender fede. Ucherry net ukuthi flat. Sinokumpela ngithi wena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Like the mic, ne? Like switch it on. There's
It's
okay.
yeah, it's on.
Cool.
It's on there. Ungasabi incabuzi.
I was saying there are girls that don't have.
Boobs, yeah.
Yeah, yile nto ngisho
I used to
like
think she was transgender that one, you. Serious ntwana.
Baby.
And my twin sister yakhe unamabele yena.
Yo.
yo.
Guys. I've been in a situation, right, where I was dating someone and I didn't know that they were gay. I only found out like full
Ujolene
gay.
to
full
Tin
gay.
Black.
Like when we met, it was this type of setup whereby like Richiti, we were drinking, but it was back in high school. Richiti, we were drinking, and then Gayang approach her and Shele, and then okay, sharp. I think for like a week. Then when I kept on telling people, because Neresa Dulika say one, it's like maybe for slowly sprayed.
Oh, yeah.
So ha ke chakela ko spray like ke bolela batho no ke jola le motho so ba raibo wena njani
Lo
So
muntu
e ka sta
ke-
ke la man. Crazy.
so Shapo and then
Yeah.
we dated and then it happened that I went to Kasiagag. I fitla ko Kasiagag ai Shapo. It was nice. We met. It was at night, and then when we met at night, he came on Shapo like, but then ha thega like no mona. But you know, back
But
then when you were young.
then, what's your take on that? Because now ukuba gay ngatsuki style.
I think
So
they,
gain traction.
yeah, I think
Bego
I'm a
mukillings. Mukillings are straight man. Why uta ah?
No, okay, from
No, I feel like there's also
it was an
depends,
alter ego.
yes.
It was an alter ego.
like you
He was
can't always
never-
be feminine though.
Unosomizi nawe yambona ukuthi naye ngathi makayi one uba out loya.
ngimbone indoda ahlalisa izinqumalo la ngiyasho ukuthi ethi kancane akalithi kick
Because lento leyo kuba gay ngatsuki style sokuthi uzoba famous and then later on so we out futhi.
akasacela i-anal.
Yeah.
No, it never got to that far. Where like we got intimate and all. That.
Ungasitshela if you guys were intimate.
Yes, I was gonna be honest. Because I was gonna tell you about the
Ubuze
experience.
njani
like-
phela elazi ngapha nangapha.
Man, I'm showing the experience.
Experience
Ngapha
file.
ngapha.
Crazy, but okay. Yo, so I'm dumb.
Obvious.
So nitsuwa?
shit.
No, like the list that we did was kids.
Kids. Nisa too.
Opanga.
Kids. I can't make such a little too. It was in high school.
Hamara
Phela
chumi
nemntwana
nane.
sichachara.
Oh, high school.
Yeah.
High school. Oh, ningenza ngathi high school best innocent.
Nah, I was.
Oh.
I was.
Usho?
Yes.
Uma no. Ake. Usho?
I was.
Singabuza abantu yazi.
Hi guys.
Bu innocent high school.
I wakafakaza ngona because I went to a boarding school in
Oh.
West.
All girls.
Bu
All
innocent
girls.
boarding school or all girls?
What are the crazy things you've experienced to be all girls?
Nelimunyana ne. Ngishilo ukuthi there's no innocence there.
Yeah. Like what are the stories good like you think are not out there and they happen guma all girls tell.
No, it's a norm. We know that
Gents.
go na le banyana ba eleng gore like they like being finger fucked.
Askis kancane. Jab dog.
Sokushaya.
Yazwakali leyo mic on le. Please. Respect us. We are live. Yeah. Askis continue.
It's the norm that everybody knows whereby like you finger fuck, you use objects. And
What kind of objects? Amatlu.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. Ayikho phela dildo.
Eme ngathi kupi oro yenza the other side. Mina wali kuthi ayenza. Yenza isipale
Abayifaki condom. Nilikinya condom. Yeah.
Oh, wenonzela.
Yes.
And I wasn't doing that. Nashima was
Sure.
present.
Manje mo climax like what was happening like mawenza.
O climax ing. Bayatsana.
Like okay. Yeah, when phasing
Oh, Shile ga have boy.
No, I want to say the time like ufila horny and stuff. What would you do? Because all girls and like at some
And I'm
point
sure
you are
we
cooler
roommate.
and you need to.
No, to be honest, I only got more sexual active after matric. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I think that's one of the reasons why they took me to a boarding school. Yabanyana.
It's very chic man. Chu. Tingling.
Mantomazana, if there's one thing I admit,
Sex life.
masturbation.
Yeah.
Never admit to that shit.
And I'm okay about teacher you kula ma out spy.
Yeah, and girls are always going like, I'm a cheater.
That's so wrong.
Because in a soul after masturbation, so one of my yens vele like
Facts. Mara ifeni.
no serious. After masturbating unokusolo twala benyenzani.
Yeah, I'm a cheater.
Makabokela abayenzi leyo nto.
Sola nini? Anisoli.
I mean, I don't know because I haven't done it, so. I
Ah.
haven't. For a while, like that.
Everybody does that.
Everybody does that. Come on.
Why would I do J little thing?
How?
Ooh.
Wena so vele waqala actually out. Azange uzama ukuzidije yaqala.
No, I've never.
Straight to dick.
Even if I was like to try, it feels weird because I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? So
ngishaya indlwayo
Ah, no,
yazizwa I need to be satisfied
No.
phela ngihlanye ikhanda futhi thina sine testosterone
Testosterone.
ngiyatshela ngana
Testosterone.
yeah igcwele ekhanda uyakwazi
Caster Semenya unayo ngithi. Mawuthi.
unayo vele
Yeah.
unayo
That's why
Uchita mus-
ngambona
oh no understand
incane mara ya.
manje waye bampenela lento le
I-testosterone yes.
testosterone
Yes. Kune advantage. Phela bocheka banayo vele. So mara gijima nathi beka wina amamendela amaningi kanje. Gijima indoda lapha gijima yena.
mara ndoda bayamsuyela bamyeke ngibona uTrevor no bathi uyile
I'm
kwikhanda
with Gist on this one, guys. Why
What?
can't she just be a good sports-ish woman, man?
dog labantu
You know what's the problem?
oh ntana like labantu bavumela ama transgender ukuthi agijime nabafazi but bahlule ukuyekela ucasta ukuthi
Yeah,
azigijimela
ngithi
intombazana straight
bayakeep testosterone mabayenza transgender.
manje wabe bangayikhiphi nayo unto
Akafuni.
I didn't
Uthi I was born like that. Angithi yamazi ukukhuluma kanjani.
mara vele manje fanele ayikhiphe marinayo
Advantage. It was advantageous
Down prep.
for yena. Prep yonke yaphela boy.
mara
Juve.
eh
Why ngingacelanga sindlulisele?
ngiyachufuza Trevor no ubuyile kwi-country mboni
Ah loyo.
and is doing something like comedian league or something like that like he's gathering ama
Ma comedian all
comedian
and
and doing one show I think that's going to be crazy
But guys, do you honestly find comedians funny?
yeah you Trevor no is
some
No, but South
comedians.
African, I feel like they're.
Okay, oh, khatha la. Let's stop that and keep.
oh yeah oh we're on Trevor no
We are waiting for the PowerPoint.
Take two.
Sure.
that's the last thing mara yeah Trevor no Trevor I think comedians are fun too yazi comedy one thing about comedy ne they tell a story of what's going on around you via comedy so if it's like politics the thing is I'm a comedian kakhulu they make jokes about politics zobona bo Trump the economy and everything so mamlalela like it's fun when you have the understanding about what's
Going on?
around
Yeah.
you. That's comedy most of the time I got Trevor no kakhulu
Well, got opinion, I don't find them funny.
Khatha
At
uyayijikisa
all.
yeah.
It was only Kimang Trevor in the beginning.
yeah
Yes, I used to find him funny.
Who?
Trevor.
up until he went to the US
Yes.
okay
Then, but when he's telling the people from the US, our stories back home, they
Okay.
are fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
ntanga yazi mara niyastep dog like miyeke dog ayenzi noma ku-wrong miyeke dog because akaqedi and
Ke la lebo OCD nyana o fitla o ntshotsa sona.
wouldn't it be ukuthi you don't find him funny because you don't relate to like the
Whatever he's
American
saying,
politics and everything he's saying because his jokes manje are like American based
Yeah.
No, I can't say the American based.
Okay.
He goes both into politics.
Okay.
USA, yeah, because I saw his joke when, I can't remember when, but it was a real. It was talk about apartheid, actually racism in South Africa.
In South Africa and
yes,
America,
how
and it's different.
oh yeah,
It is different.
no he released there's into yakhe stand up comedy we released on Netflix I think it's that one it's recent yeah it was really nice yo but yeah but for me comedy makes like what do you like actually
Magna.
yeah what entertains you
Utlore music.
Reality shows. Although they say it's scripted, but
Yeah.
now I like them.
Really?
yeah Kim Kardashian
No.
Yeah, which one are you currently hooked on?
Okay, there's a show called Perfect Match. I don't know if you guys know it. Yeah.
I don't know what is it about
It's about a perfect match.
It's about a perfect match. Like it's a show, ne?
Matches.
What?
pop the
Yes.
balloon
Yeah.
or it's like pop the balloon
No, it's not.
Mele siyenze nathi pop the balloon aqamba. Yeah.
what's the reason I don't cool
Mele siyenze. Hayi le smash your pass.
yeah hey ipetrol iyadura no net easy so hey guys
Kubuke Tuesday ne. Wednesday.
futhi
When was
so
it?
sithenga ama remote
Mina vele ngiright nguJohn Mtsamaya.
ntana maruzo accept le situation dog I mean
Ngenxa yepetrol.
ngizoyibisa
Manje
impilo
kanjani?
Yeah?
Uyabolt kanjani?
Yeah, I think it's cheaper to
No,
bolt.
it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
Or ngibili taxi ke.
No, phela mawufaka full tank, you said you can go anywhere.
Yeah, Maria phela leyo full tank.
Mara ke calculate all your rights and be able to
I don't move around a lot.
But I'm speaking in terms of relationship wise.
Relationship.
Yeah,
Akijule mina.
That's why I started.
Eh. Ubani lokhohlelayo?
Hayibo ndoda.
Oh, ngicabanga ukuthi ukhohlela lento engishoyo.
Manje ngenxa ukuthi awujula ngeke ngithenga imoto.
Yeah.
But it's convenient in some cases.
Nope.
Like for example, maybe let's say mina ngiyahost esentini.
Yeah.
I have a house or an apartment, for
Yeah,
example. Jalo uzobona.
Look like you have one.
Okay, let's say
Naruki.
you want to leave. Ama-bolt awekho. Uthaba?
Abangani bami banemoto mina.
Okay, no, yabangani bakho.
Abangani bami banemoto. Yeah, I make a call like give to for boy. Ntwana ngile ndli awubeke ntwana.
Yabona? Ayeke nendawo.
Inconvenience.
Mogini boy how.
Okay.
Anyahlala ngizoyithenga imoto ayimanje.
That's why izokubamba i-hunter virus.
Ini?
I-hunter virus.
Yini ile amagundwane?
Yeah, that's amagundane ase-South Africa wanayo.
Awanayo lento leyo.
For the first time, so praise amagundane ase-Alex.
Amagundwane wethu intanga khuleka like I just understand vele.
Hi Joe, mara, hey Joe, like, did you guys see what's this? What do you call these things? Ukuthi like, predictive future and stuff like that.
Ama psychic.
No, what's this way? Like they predicted okay, 2020 kuzoba ne coronavirus.
Oh yeah.
2026 kuzoba ne hunter virus.
I don't know what it is lento leyo film.
But actually they say most of these things they find them go King the Simmons or King
Simpsons.
The Simpsons, yeah.
Oh yeah, the Simmons. Abangani simene nje. Yadala.
Yo, mara Joe. And like there's someone mo 2020 ne baningi abantu engibabonile ba postile ukuthi hunter virus and question mark ngo 2020 lento enzala ngo 2026 manje.
Hey le virus le sponsored by Hansa vele. Oh.
But I have a story sakhona.
Hansa pills now.
Ngoba before mara nasi story sakhona anyway it developed. 3 people on a cruise ship have passed away from suspected infections of hunter virus, a rare family of viruses carried by rodents. Amagundwane. At least one
Ikundwa rodent. Oh. Aksi rat kanti. Huskies.
Okay, at least one patient has been admitted in one of the hospitals in Joburg. It is rumored to be one of Sentin's hospitals. I don't know which one is it. Medicare, obviously, abanemali basenjeni Medicare.
Lento lezophatha imali futhi.
But bana balendile ko kae?
Exactly. But
Why basabisa ku hospital abu Durban or ku Cape Town ko balendile ko teng?
But they were going somewhere else and then they bashay off ramp bazala South Africa bayisa eSentin. So like nomuntu lo contact abantu abayingakhe estradeni to eSentin dog before futhi bazomlanda. And manje the cases number wakhona are increasing.
Do you believe that?
Abangasophethwe into kanye corona once again. Corona bengekho lokushini.
Manje ucanga ukuthi ufika another lockdown
Lockdown. Ngenxa yehansa.
How not?
So phuzi hansa soba grand.
Okay, fair. So ngabu like I had to do my research. Ngile ngabuza what is hunter virus? But hunter virus is primarily transmitted to human through contact with infected wild rodents such as deer, mice, cotton rats, and rice rats. Rice rats.
Asinazo lento lezo la eMzansi. Into esinayo thina irota. Namarota. Siphethe uzuma no rice thina kuphela la eMzansi. We don't have ama rice, actually rice.
I guess rice rats.
A right one.
I think the virus is shared in their urine, droppings, and saliva. It is airborne as well.
Oh.
It is airborne.
Ngathi ngibuza amagundwane.
Hey Joe.
Lento yase America.
No, yazi njani ne? Ayakaka amagundwane ne, liba dry kaka ne, and then bawashanyela ne, the moya ne, inhale ne, hunter virus in mzimba. Apparently.
Lento letsana ne.
Is it in but it is airborne. This is the most common way. So like the thing is guys, I'm I don't understand it, like mangaze into lockdown angeke survive tho.
Angeke ibe khona ngenxa yamagundwane.
Okay, ayikho.
Hayi.
So siyayeka.
Angeke mamela.
Sabalahlela oceaning bona batho ba ba tshwering ke tsone dio tseo.
Waba ngabathithelanga lapha kulo mkhumbi.
Umkhukhini.
Kulo mkhumbi.
Yini umkhumbi man?
Cruise ship.
Oh. It's a ship. NgesiZulu.
How not? Wena uyangisonto.
not
Wazi
Zulu.
umkhumbi kaNoah.
Oh, mina umfundisi wami uMsuthu. Dade Mruti Mahlatsi. Oh, wanihleka. No, for real dog. I already usukela like ukumsuthu leya.
Uningi kenzakala emhlabeni dog.
So yayishintsha.
Ngiyakuzwa inkinga mara like
Umkhumbi.
there's a lot that's going on. Did you see the stories ukuthi crocodile kwinya umuntu?
Oh yeah, and then ama-American bawakwatile ukuthi sicovile sayibulala leya crocodile.
No, apparently they found
Yeah.
Oh,
They were
that's
commenting
kanjani
online.
ubulala umuntu and bathwele into ama slippers lapha ayi6. That's like how many people? 3 people. If they bagqoke 2 pairs.
Ama-slippers. So idla abantu abayitrile leya crocodile.
But is 8 dog, but bathwele ama slippers ayi6. So
Maybe lawa abayijuba balekile lo asindanga yena.
le boss ayisindanga. Mara ehle lo muntu ufike kanjani la?
Crocodile.
Ukuthi bazi afike crocodile. Bambulele bamlahlele
Izulu
lapha.
crocodile.
no, he got into a car accident, I think. Or maybe but there was a picture. I didn't like follow the story properly.
Okay.
But there was a picture. Yeah, van ya gagwe like e wetse bikinyana so.
The crocodile yathi yona inyama.
Yeah.
Shit.
Bona party.
Bona kwati. Shot nge fucking knife.
It's raw, but I can eat it. Yeah, don't come for me.
It's crazy.
Mara crazy dog. Yo, I don't even imagine ukudliwa crocodile dog.
Crocodile yapgwinya inandaba na.
It has the strongest bite in the animal kingdom.
Hippopotamus. Angithi it has the most kills yabantu.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Hippopotamus mangalahlela yabona watermelon.
Yeah.
Ihlafuna ngathi apula. Iyaphela.
Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Sure. Then manje ba measure ukuqina kwekhanda lomuntu
Yeah.
So ingabe
Wena ngaqeda boy.
why mean?
Angithi amazinyo wakhona bayawakhatha nokwakhatha.
Okay.
Amazinyo ama-hippo they don't stop growing. Afana nezipho.
Hey. Hey, eziningi le story. I'm sorry ne ukuthi sichintsha ama topic kanje mara eziningi le story. Upushire siyascam isaba. Damani bafethu.
Ubuyile.
International scammer dog. Lo muntu dog use South Korea dog.
Wow.
All the way to Asia. Uyapreacha dog.
Why simekile lo muntu ngoba bekafuneka la eMzansi?
Ubalekile.
Abasinike yena nje. Bamshiye la esontonga egroundini. Bamshiye maphakathi kwale la ground. Bathi nangu. Yo.
Joe, abazali bakhe bakaze ba touch screen.
No.
Touch the screen my son.
Papa. Mina taka abazali ba touch screen. Dog like crazy ntana yazi ntana.
Oh, uthi abazali bakhe bakhe basatsha.
But it's all
Ba ka le Vaseline ne le holy wo.
Yeah.
I mean think
Wakhomisa ngeoil yakho longa.
Yeah.
Mara ubushiri ungcono umporo waskema abantu kabuhlungu. Bakhibiza ama 5,000 for isithombe sasizulwini. Ekhumbula le
Elia irabe Chris kanti bekenzakala.
Eh? Yeah.
Ikushange viewers bekwetha.
Yeah, kumele ngibonise abantu leso sithombe.
Damani.
Ene bekashuta ngeSamsung S5. Yakhumbula iquality bebhedi kanjani? Clear. Enzeka so ithi uDavid yambona emuva. South Africa is a movie enhleke.
Ntwana like the best. The best. Like
Mele basenzele i-reality show ez South Africa like.
Sike saba like we phase whereby abo pastor being a pastor was everything dog.
Nearly fashion.
So abazali bakho abakazi bakhulume ubushiri nani.
Only your parents did that.
Yeah.
Mara guys, only my parents. Mntwana Niki. Abazali bakho azange bamlandelele ubushiri.
Ubani loyo?
Awuma
Yabo?
ubushiri.
Hayi
Upushi.
Yabo? Abazali bakho kuphela.
Maybe that's why ngaphambi to metric. Amazi. Abafutha waqobisa. Touch screen mangiqeda. Athi touch the screen.
Waqobisa nga-oil boy.
Njayam. Mara yakutshela.
Upushiro muphi mfethu mina hey.
The pastor that scammed
South Africa yonke.
the pastor that had into isonto PTA and then he
Upapa.
was like a
Kodwa bambiza ngubani
prophet.
upapa?
He's a prophet actually.
Is he
He's
still
not.
alive?
Dog, he's scamming a second esonto manje.
Murutu wathi wesilo ya.
He's still alive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nah, then I don't know him because there was one pastor on Soweto TV that my granny loved.
Who?
He
Emmanuel.
I see TV Jakes. TV Jakes.
No.
somewhere there.
Nah, akusile. Emmanuel TV.
Oh, yeah, Emmanuel.
Somewhere.
Emmanuel.
Oh, yazi mina ngicabanga bani?
Don't you know?
Cabangani.
Bengicabanga.
Emmanuel, Pastor
Ushonile
Emmanuel.
man.
Prophet
Pastor lo
Emmanuel.
yabeka
Yeah.
entabeni.
Guys, there's Wi-Fi. Please check it out.
Ulondo tabathi bekanesonto eNigeria abantu bashona ngazi bawa ibuilding ya collapse eNigeria mara na.
TB Joshua.
Yeah.
Yabona wena.
Yeah,
Wena
uyi-TV
boyibheka
Joshua.
Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah.
Mara laba pastor laba babaningi laba. Khona nomkwena, umcavu mkwena. Le begcoka eshanga uniform red, blue and white.
Na beka prophet.
Yeah.
Bayakhipha sabantu into. Kanti
Leya
amafish.
bequla ithandaze kuphela. Leya beintswembu la. Leya isalesman leya. Yeah, kusho mayabuzo yabona eMoria. Maba eMoria maZCC. Yena uba yisevale eTetier.
How?
Yeah, baqala intaba lapha.
So bekayenza kanje indaba yesimori into yabo mzethe.
And bukhona nalomunye.
Hey ndoda wena yabazi bubalandelela ne. Ubonje lothi if you swallow
Hayi.
get swallowed. Angazi.
Ubala.
So labo pastor laba next thing they found out ukuthi he's implicated in the Epstein files.
Yo.
Yakadiji I think.
Pastor Chris.
Yeah,
Where's
nah,
Chris?
you dog.
Didn't he pass away?
Ufile?
Ufile.
Ke ono kwa America, right?
No. Ulo maka khona
Sinaichi.
maka book stadium la eMzansi. Beniya ngama compete ticket lapha ya. Yeah.
So he once sold out into.
Yeah.
No joke. Yeah, he once sold out into FNB Stadium. Yeah, pastor lo.
Compete ticket. Khona le story lesikhumba ke wakhuluma ngaso. Athi Grootman lakhe lihamba nge-wheelchair. Wawuza ukuthi bathu Pastor Chris uyeza. So he didn't know ukuthi mele athenge ticket ku compete ticket. Yeah boy. Yabona noma ngibuya ngizokhaba la. Akekho Pastor Chris akathanda zelo phakame wheelchair. Yeah. Akafika lapha bamjikisa. But ubuye vela lo kayiphusha le wheelchair yakhe ntwana. Eish.
Amfana baba skemile abogogo bethu. Noba bethu noma mithi.
Ifane ANC yangithi.
NCNZ.
Yeah, abogogo bethu. Ugogo. Wonke ugogo uvotele ANC. That's why nyeke ingalusi.
The thing is I feel like they're afraid of change, dog. Like now when what are you going to vote for?
Who?
When?
Mina ngivoti mina.
Why?
Why?
You know that when you don't vote, your vote automatically goes to the
If you're
ruling party.
Oh.
registered though.
Kuyafana ukuthi kuphethe ANC or ngicabanga if besivotele EFF and then next thing umalema nangu uboshiwe.
Yeah.
Asina president manje.
Mara then dog like if you register to vote and then you don't vote, your vote goes to
I don't even register. Anginaso lesikhathi ukuthi ngiyoma ama line mina.
Who are you voting
Makuvoto
for?
nya DJ.
My
Uvotele
vote,
man.
my secret.
Uvotele DA lo.
My
Umuntu
vote, my
uvotele DA ubuzwa
secret.
ngakhulisa.
No, but now I would vote for King VF.
Yileyo.
Akusina yamabhunu le.
Yes.
Oh, guys, wait. Matsarula abantu abamnyama, abantu abamhlophe, sorry, there was order.
Yeah.
Hayibo.
There was order. Yes, apartheid was wrong, but there was order.
Guys, do you know how bad apartheid was?
Abayazi.
Yes, I know, but
That was enforced order and it was enforced the side nearly one paid.
Yeah.
Kuwe taki.
Maybe that's what we
Not
need.
one side.
Yes.
Maybe that's what we
Apartheid,
need.
okay,
as
Salata mandia.
Yeah, but
It was for white people.
Echo,
To-
only white people were benefiting. You were not
Yeah.
benefiting.
Yes, but now the times have changed, right?
Bonye we told, bonye
Yes,
we.
sexual manje, now the time has changed. We
Okay.
have so many benefits, we know.
So you think-
I don't think it's going to be like dala, but kuzoba strict, man. They can't just mess up.
Joe, these
Nama
people-
hopes for the country ne.
No.
Move guys. Manithola iSpanish grand thenga amatikiti uthenga indla America retire khona. Ayikho indaba yini.
Hey, Keleni Kumai, Joe. You know these people are open about their racist policies. They are. Anyway, no to
i-VF racist
hey nna ke tlo votela VF
ngicabanga ngiyovotela ugatsha mina ngicabanga ngiyovotela ugatsha ile aningicava ugatsha eish ile i-IFP
oh
why me too
I feel like ntona
kele amamang buthelezi
ya ke yena gatsha le ngishaya cabanga mangashaya ispeech bathi iwinile no
no, he passed away that guy
wena
nini
ay wena mchita
ayi wiphi ufile mba ufinini
I don't know
ufile phela bokuye i-IFP
ay uthi
beka i-secretary
ndoda
manager
yafana no Jomoson
uJomo naye wenza yonke into boy
kana wazoyena
water boy
aba na ibhasi
coach yeah
yo Jomo dog
amara uJomo sayiphethe uven where's Jomo
khona mfisi
One thing, I feel like he's doing well for himself. Like he's a good businessman.
uJomo
Yeah, Jomo Sona. Yeah,
businessman uJomo
yeah.
Jomo
You can research about it.
yeah ntanga please fact check
akusipari ntwana Jomo ntwana like easy
my
wise business wise
so uyi accountant yakhe
yonke into yakhe
yonke into yakhe
ndoda wena mawucanga uyavumela ukuthi kube nomunye umuntu ocontrol imali yakhe
vele uJomo that's why ngibeka i-ball boy ayi-water boy
Yonke-
mawulimele uyongenayo sprayer abuye nawe uzoba grand boy uzoba grand yeah
yeah with him mara nakhona isasekhona Jomo Sona
yeah where's Jomo Cosmos
idlala phi NFT
Vela League
mvela
down oyirelegatiwe vele
Mtsipe League
Mtsipe is not
Yeah.
down though Mtsipe ayikho phansi phela
Mtsipe semuva kwamvela kwa NFT
oh
so
shit
that's like 4th division or something like that
Guys, which team do you guys think it won't get the league?
aish
Pirates
Yeah, thank you.
Pirates
Thank you.
Pirates hayi siyabona course for 90 minutes I was a course for 90 minutes routine
yabona mina ngiyikhosi
awu lamthuthi
Mara-
baya solo nithi winani man bahlile ukuwina against the Sundowns
nini yanishaya Sundowns mos azipirates nifuna ukuthini nini yanishaya Sundowns nina mos
yazi ntwana le yazi no yazi like isekele ne
Yes.
nina niyayishaya Sundowns
Yes.
Sundowns ishaya thina sibulala nini
anisishayi lo
lamthuthi
ishaya kayiwani
lamthuthi
uvimba ukuvuma emgomcapha ukuvuma liya iqoba ibhola iyakhululeka
kubonile uChris Excel uvule into a donation campaign for Peterson hey mara
Peterson muphi
Peterson goalkeeper went to Kaizer Chiefs
Manike.
for the performance yakhe against Sundowns
yini manje
ngikhuluma ngebhola le unnecessary. Did you see what happens to the UEFA Champions League?
sathi UEFA
Utshela ngale
Real
nto.
Madrid bayalwa
Besides,
Bayashayana.
did you see what happened between the PSG and Bayern?
yeah that was
robbery
yeah 2 games
That was
those 2 games
robbery.
yeah
there was
yeah
robbery
They stole those niggas UEFA Champions League.
abo bani
Bayern Munich. You saw what happened.
nidliwe
in
mos
the end, second league.
maka nidliwe
My team lost fair.
yeah
Fair and square.
except
But there was a square that was not fair.
hayi nidliwe
ngathengela out yakhe skipper sebhola
Never.
why
Never.
mara
Sibona
batawuthi
amahlelo nayo lawa
No, spoiler.
kanjani
Once moto I it's something nice for Luna, ubona gantle gore like bye.
ayibo bye
Oh.
kanjani mina ngithengela skipper sebhola I love you
impilo yami yonke
until the team le change badge and that's never
yeah
I understand how mfethu
I would never
like
share.
yazi gents are like as simple creatures uyazi fanele ungithengeleni ukuthi ngijabulise wena mangathi ngithengela something manje into like engathi uyayifuna
uthenga Ferrero akutshela ukuthi akujili chocolate I'm allergic to nuts
izongenza ukuthi skin
mara ukata nathi
ay
That's the thing, you guys don't listen. And now we always communicate what we want. And then when you choose just in mamela inga mamele ing. We always communicate. As girls, we always communicate.
what do you want from your boyfriend right now if you have one right now
yajwala
No.
you
Yes.
sure bana ba brother bakuphikile
yeah that was dangerous dangerous why the doubt
Yeah?
why the doubt
Eish, sibaningi.
yo wait kuye
Guye.
Oh.
So why you still considering? Why?
Kwenzakalani inhleki?
Why are some consider?
Hence I said no.
Bese wavuma. So
Kuyabanda kuyashisa June July.
ngathi kuyabanda.
It's warm.
6-7
Izulu liyana.
You came to the wrong podcast.
Thunderstorm.
Oh my God.
Ukamthola kufanele.
Man.
Yena okay.
Ish.
Njengokuthi
Ubani loyo? Siyamazi.
one question
Siyamazi vele.
one question
Do
at
we
a
know
time.
him?
One question at a time.
Admaz.
Oh.
Admaz,
One question at a
guys.
time.
Okay.
So ukamthola akufebele.
Manje
So wazi kanjani
wazi kanjani
ukuthi
ukuthi baningi?
Ish, guys.
Akafuni ngefoni yakhe. Akafuni ngefoni yakhe ne?
Ngeke uzo-accuse umjida.
Hawu, esithubeni.
Nje esithubeni. Uthi no, uthi yes.
Siyamkhulumela.
Maybe no, maybe yes. Which one is it?
Ish, guys, it's complicated. complicated.
So uzojabula make kuzwa uthi like it's complicated.
Ayikho for yena.
You.
Ayibahle nayo.
Mjida,
Yes.
listen to me.
Yena.
Let's try with you in this one.
Ngeke.
Baningi fela.
Ngeke.
She that's in baningi. Oh.
Siba. Ni
Alright, there, ngiyakuzwa. Moving on. Dog, what else did you see during the week, dog?
One min. Mina uyangaza ngithi ngibhekele drama box. So angibonanga nix bengibhekela ama China the whole week.
La the subtitle it.
Namapopayi amazi stuff buwela amapopayi wakhe we anime la.
Akusama Popeye.
Enemy akusama
It's
Popeye.
not Popeyes,
Kili
dog.
Popeye.
No.
Ay, wait, no.
Kili cartoon.
Kanjani?
It's not. Ish.
Okay, guys, good about there's a difference.
There's a
between
difference.
What kuna difference.
It is a difference.
Popeye.
Alina kibona usina difference.
Yazi
Naruto ayifani Peppa Pig man.
Any?
Naruto ayifani Peppa Pig.
I
Yes.
Peppa Pig. Chai.
No story. Yazi mamela.
Aye.
Anime, it's storytelling.
Yeah.
You can watch that thing we should.
Anime king Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah.
Naruto.
Naruto. Kachakuta. Helen Paradise. Hell's Paradise. In.
Yeah,
Anyangenelela no. Yeah.
Ikhona lenye ibukele ku Netflix.
Ngicela ubhekele solo leveling.
Oh, so level ngiyela emama kancane.
Watch season 1 and 2 zoba grand. Yeah.
Kanti nibukelani nabo gela ama vlog? Bethu babukela umuntu ophila impilo yakhe. So I got this from Chain guys.
Help me unbox.
Ay, ubukela umuntu ophila impilo yakhe.
No,
Live
guys,
your own
now I
life.
watch podcasts.
Okay.
Oh, makathina usibhekelele.
Kyalibekelela. Kyalibekelela.
Are kyalibekelela.
Ubani igama lami?
Nazo. Whippy.
Okay, I don't know y'all's names, but I do watch.
Kyalibekelela.
Okay,
Which episode did you watch?
I watched
Recent
the
episode.
girl. Yeah, where there was a girl here. Come on.
Kayla.
It's Kay.
Oh,
Kayla.
Yeah.
Kayla.
And then
Okay,
there was
who?
this other
Wait,
guy.
underscore K or Kayla?
Yeah.
I kids Marie Usana left.
They install it.
Yeah, well, also
Okay.
come out.
Abo yibekelele. That was the highlight of the episode. Wena wanqoba uzikhomota.
And then Liam, where you guys were shooting when it was like good containing something like
Oh.
that. Yeah, swagger, what.
Oh, so nkasibani.
Yeah.
Ake swagger what.
Yeah.
Yonke into wonke lama Zulu
So far
wethu
we coming
yaphuthayo.
Yeah, you guys are getting there. You guys are getting there.
Okay, okay.
Getting there. Siyafika. Mara anyway, dog. On sports, dog. Did you see UK18 uthi he wants to send my influencer to USA for a World Cup
Okay.
and,
Sicalele
and
phansi.
podcasters.
So uqove ama podcast
Hey,
bese
dog.
apply boy.
Yeah.
Wait. Uqove ibudget yakalo mama loya. Kujubani mama loya?
Mama Joy.
Mama Joy.
When ufuna ukuyinika ama influence.
Yep.
Maruki18.
Yeah. Mara ukhale ukuthi musuma Mama Joy and spend 200k one.
Mara, already isn't there a list of the
spend
people
it.
that are going there? Because I saw.
I think yeah, there is a
Yeah,
list.
yeah.
There is a list.
Yeah,
I don't
there's a
know. Can you
list.
please check for us? List yabantu please and then
Abaya ku World
just
Cup if bayaya.
Don't talk.
Maruzinquma is definitely going.
Eh,
Kwele
you
advert
said it
yakhe
last
le.
week.
Oh yeah, and artists also.
Artist. Manje Joe, hey, Scorpion Kings. Are you going
Not going,
to Scorpion Kings?
Has been looking at
Sizababona endaweni labantu. Endaweni hayi.
Hayi, sekithikile uyibonile. Uhlale phezulu mntwana.
I've never worked for anything like that in my life. Ucela ticket.
Okay, siqaleni phansi. Labantu labatanga bazoba la eParadise next week.
Anandaba.
Endaweni.
Experience.
Yes.
I want to be there for the experience.
And the vibe.
Yep.
Nah, ngiyamkhulu.
Ngisebenza lapha yangithi usijava lo.
And we were.
Or Rubani. That's what I'm saying. Ukuthi that's why ngingafuna ukuthenga ticket la khona ngizohlala le phezulu.
Anja yami. Ntana either way like you can still noma phakathi like bazoyicontrol kanjani yonke lento le unless bazosinika ama-tag.
Ama-tag azobonakala. Mala phezulu yakhe red.
Mara basidawe kahle peak ngiyasondela la.
Inkinga abantu abamnyama yileyo bese nanyathelana lapha yana.
Ananda.
Khona bafila ama casualty.
Angeke ndoda kube
Mina
PD.
the only concert engizoya kuyo mina engizothi ngithenga iticket ngihlalele phezulu. Aka Travis Scott. Ngifuna
phinde ngome 1
Like 10. That was 10 times.
Yasinyela.
Ngifuna ukuba part of ini. Yabona into abayenzayo leyo ukuthi every country yakuyo benza ama earthquake. Ngifuna nami kuba part of lento leyo boy. Yeah, angithi benza earthquake angithi. Yeah, ivele ku Richter scale. Yeah.
Benze i-earthquake ngalento abayenzi efini.
Ivelile ku Richter scale vela ukuthi hey ngathi kuyafiwa kanti hayi.
It's a lot of people.
Yeah, bayajump.
Kanti umhlaba which means misawukho omkhulu ke mawukwazi ukuzwakala ke.
Kuleyo country leyo phela not ukuthi umhlabeni wonke bayizwile ntwana. Hey dog.
Oh, i-Dominican Republic.
Yeah,
Le bathi you must be careful ama transgender abaya la.
So guys, what's your take on the Epstein files?
Our take on Epstein files.
Yes.
Angithi Trump wenza iwar ukuthi
Sikhohliwe ke. Sikhohliwe.
How?
Sekazi. I'm no longer even following ukuthi bawakhiphile.
Angisana interest ukuthi ukhothi iscrotum somntwana or
indaba.
Hayi.
Inama mina azingisabani ne. Cabanga sikhulume ngayo. And then ayibone lento.
How?
You never know phela. Next thing akasu. Hayi. Uzoyenziwa nathi. Next thing siyashuta kanje phela iTorpedo.
Uzovela athi futhi South Africans. Iyo angasithumela ngedrone.
Abayifili into in South Africa, America no. Sinyile
Elon Elon no like PTA azisinyela lo umuntu.
Elon Musk naye yahlanya akho right ekhaya.
It's why izonanga imzansi mfethu.
There's a problem. Liya racist leya.
Yeah, like bluntly so.
That's why ahambile wa America.
So this guy can fuel a narrative, a false narrative about a whole country, dog. Noma abantu bamtshela under the comments dog ukuthi uyahlanya yikho lento ekhulumayo.
Speaking of comments, bafethu, if you don't have anything good to say on our comments, don't comment. Khona lengidinile le.
Ithi siyadelela.
Lo ngcono. Let me check for it. Ngize ngayi report comment yakhe ku YouTube.
How about people comment?
W engagement.
Mina don't mind it.
It's in the
Don't be rude.
It's episode 23, ne? I think it was 10 hours but to boom episode. This guy's like, 41 views on episode 23. Wrap it up, guys. It's not working. Hey, what Antoine? If you don't have anything good to say, just
No, that man was pop.
It's fine. Akayenze yakhe so
Go check
ibukele.
our latest episode right now.
it's moving right now.
Go check our latest
Umdinile Ntwana.
pop. And when never speak about do you know like the things we go through every
Bruh.
week just to give people their content? But still we are outside.
But you know one thing about negativity, ne?
Yeah.
If una ukuthi igaya attention and my guy attention ayijabulisa.
Oh hi. Mina azingivele ngenzani? Ngimshaya nge yabona mos reaction. Bese ngayi report abayisusa YouTube. YouTube yangichaza fast and very efficient.
Kamsalwa yeka.
Nah.
Like kuyafana mina for me kuyafana njengalo wathi disrespect unto.
Unotha.
Unotha.
Ngoba sekuya jail. Kanti akaya ngejele kanti.
Uyajela
unotha.
And nakhona like
That's
how
not
is it
disrespecting.
disrespect if it's something that's out there?
How?
Like one thing about us, we always talk about things that are out there.
Kusho yena lapha ku music
And
parts
this is stuff-
aqhomela
Stuff
bekaqhomela.
you insinuate, guys.
No, that's the thing about lento yejele ne.
Yeah.
Ukhulume ngayo on the podcast lapha ku music parts.
Athi bamudli. Ngiyabuza wena phela you said something like that.
I didn't say that.
Uthe wena hey in bamudli nduni.
No.
Oh.
Ngithe
Ngakulanda. Hey, yabengakulanda.
no, I didn't say that. Ntwana. Ngithe unotha phela une backup.
Okay.
Angithi njengoba uthi uyithi ubani bani. Kodwa uthe usomizi udla
Hey, usomizi.
uzuzi uthe usomizi uzuzi angithi unotho usho kanjani and then wangibuza ukuthi akasabi na and then I was like hayi lo ungawari une backup ubuye ejele
Manje sintelela.
uzongishaya ngempamo
ubani
uzusutho
ngiyayiphinda futhi
Zusike mankiki
Rap Academy.
Ngisazobuza nami ukuthi uzuza asiwulo mshita loyo ophetha boMordecai la.
Yeah, angazokuzondo abantu abangamelanga bazizonda.
On the rap academy sheet ne another thing ngikhohla icishe ngekhohlwa yezo uKenan Boy yakhipha boy
Yeah,
it's releasing nge 22
K9 boy, shout out.
the album or the EP
Bafethu Mordecai.
wow no mona let me shout out intwana encane mfethu
Come to Mordecai.
umuntu
Hold your mic.
hold the mic dog
Hold the mic, dog. Hold the mic.
Thinqede wait
Hold the mic.
I'm not sure if it's an EP or an album ne
Lene cover black ne?
yeah igama layo yi Cold Night Big Dreams
Talent yethu ke leyo.
yeah
K9
boy.
K9 boy.
yeah lasendela amalokutshuni namazidlana
Yeah. Dope.
this night on the podcast I think it was episode 20 ne
Yeah.
ska scroll like a picture
Which one was Bruno?
King.
This screenshot
Ke bona inkantive.
Stuff.
hey
Where? Hey.
Stuff.
Uzobona nje.
Which one was Mandem? I wasn't there for his episode.
Lesi kuyi full side.
full side
I thought
Yeah, no bekahle ku PC.
yeah bebahle kuphisero the whole episode labafana labo yo dog
such things, ne? Such.
Yeah, but you're still saying about Mordecai.
Mordecai
His album, guys,
Crazy.
underrated.
yini igama layo
Underrated.
yini igama layo
We in Kamala.
I won't even lie, dog. It's some weird initials, but it's B something, Mamelo or like, but I don't
mara
know.
Mordecai areko big so I understand yeah
But
it's not big it's
He's
not big.
he's
one
not
of the most hot, like one of the hottest upcoming artists right now.
upcoming we begega
Wait,
He has
upcoming.
cut- he has
Nobody
cut
has
so
established
hard.
une hits ntwana mus.
Bayenza batho ba ba opela hip hop.
Ama futhi.
Ke ba hip hop.
Mordecai.
Hip hop.
kili compounds amapiano.
Bro, le gona le motho o sa itseng le gore le bua ka bo mang.
Amapiano.
Ke amapiano.
Mordecai
Yazi phesheya.
Album.
Nga phesheya. Ne di khomo.
Yeah.
Uyo producer le.
Oh, ke di vibes nyana tseo.
Yeah, uyo producer le zwengo.
Yeah, Bashar.
Album cover yakhe be yellow shayi nyana.
Mordecai
Mordecai.
That was Blonde
That was yeah,
yeah Mordecai
It's BLNDMSC. Mamelo.
oh
Album.
I haven't. Hey,
angayizwa
I
mfethu
paused on music. Yes, I haven't been following on music for quite some
Yeah,
time.
me too,
I don't
me
know
too.
why, Joe.
Don't sleep on Mordecai.
I'm not, dog. I'm not.
hayi
Nick
irap
out.
academy sayilandela
Sayilandela,
boy
dog.
sayilandela
Yeah.
phela we know people there
I want to work now.
Share classic siyamazi uma nomunye Kenan Boy hayi ntana
I
khuleka
was once coordinating and organizing event yabo kuyinto lapha yana lapha esikoleni saka Prince. And yeah, untwana we called him through. Ngeke ngasibana naye Mordecai. Ni nama artist ni manager.
bekava urigby feri
Mani
urigby
uriphi bana.
angithi is Mordecai and rigby
Maybe ila be driver le moto mazinga.
uMordecai vele wayanganayo urigby angithi Mordecai and rigby bafethu so
Okay.
uMordecai lo oyenza amapiano wayanganayo urigby and where's
Maybe
Benson
uzomthola.
Can I answer that?
Benson manager yakhe.
uzuzi
Nah, nigga. But the reason why there is no Rigby is because it's not a regular show.
I'm sure bo minyile ukuthi ngakubhayizisa mawisho lento ne That was dope. That's why unikahla ngekhe episode yasiphazamisa.
Wena ntana una tweet.
Ubani?
When?
Yeah, mara ngiyisebenzisa. Ngisaba le phone lele eningi lapha yami.
Do you have a Twitter? Hey, yes, Joe.
I do have an account, but then I don't.
Yeah, also.
Yeah.
Do you know Chris Excel?
Yeah.
Joe, that guy is a menace. The president yakhe South African blockile.
Real, I saw that
Dog.
too. Real.
I'm like, how much of trouble do you have to be? You would see like a whole president block.
Mele ufana no staff.
When you are kidding me. When you are kidding me.
Mina ngitshela mangaba namakara rapha sangamfonela every time I shoot.
What's the craziest thing you've ever seen go Twitter? Like discovered through Twitter.
Le out le ama specs. Le bena ma porn video 90 something, 100 and something.
Oh, le
shara ncane ya. Ngaro shapa dollars.
Yeah, le ngitezi ngamani impuli.
Crazy.
Awuzungwangwa or something like that.
Namna ngwangwa ntwana.
Asunamngangwa nto. Yazi kamera king.
Umna ngwangwa ipresident yaseZimbabwe.
Ngisho lo.
Yes,
Naye lo ublock Chris Excel.
Hey, look South Africa yonke.
Crazy dog. Like yo, inking internet dog yathusa yo.
You guys sound like niggas that goon.
What?
You don't know what gooning is.
Now.
They don't know what gooning.
Yeah.
Go watch El Tito's podcast.
I know what's gooning dog, but chache yonke lento because of lento decision ngale outle. Dog,
What's gooning?
awabona ngama video akhe.
Wait, what's gooning? What's that?
Don't you know a kuna?
Yini? Wenzani? Tell me.
Please educate us.
No ishilo vele.
So I have to educate you. Okay, gooning is stroke for masturbating.
So wangavela ngasho kanjani?
Dog.
Okay, qale asicaleleni phansi ne mina ngithanda abantu abasebenzisa isilungu unnecessary. It's a Saturday sifuna ukuphuza.
Okay.
Wakhuluma isilungu. Wangasho ukuthi sishaya indlwabe.
Ngisazosho ke ukuthi ushaya indlwabe.
Oh, gooning.
Mara mina nangiyajola.
Bona.
Sometimes
And how does it feel? Is it nice?
very disappointing. Uyashaya wena indlwabe.
No.
Waqamba mama.
From isaqale episode.
Uqamba mama.
I don't, Shem.
So wena nje since wabe emhlabeni unakaki?
Yo.
Yeah,
You never ask a woman. Yeah.
DJ call me. DJ.
I've
Bese
never.
uthi MC Mqamelo.
Oh.
I've never.
Apparently the Mqamelo level is the one, so they say. I don't know.
What's the Mqamelo level?
Uthini mfethu?
What's the
we had a truth there once upon a time in college, and one of these hands said the Mqamelo way, like when they masturbate using the Mqamelo way.
Oh, ulala phezulu komcamelo and
Yeah,
then
then chick rhymes. Apparently is the one.
Guys,
For
I'm
them.
excited.
Oh.
I know I won't.
Wait. Oh.
But also like squeezing your legs.
Oh yeah, I hate that. But yazi singathi sihleli naye la lokhu busy. Lo guy lo lokhu busy kita ziponchis lapha yakhithi. Tabazala biggest cool. Mara uyavuma girls like yibo abahlezi bahoni more than gents.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, man ntombazana honi.
But so, I'm saying it's not true. Amajita hlala honi. That's why kunama rapist.
Nami stuff ngivumelana nawe.
Nah, dog. Inkinga uthi amachita yazini problem. Umchita makahoni kakhulu. It turns into that. But most lo amachita average gents. Yeah, siyaponyela mara I not njengamantombazana dog. You know ukuthi intombazana ne you can support or deny this. Mara mongaba honest kuyo vele uyi girl nyancanya like nyancanya ne. Mara I just wanna smash. Ube honest uthi I just wanna smash.
Yeah.
Intombazana ngakusmashisa.
Yeah, if you don't look like umuntu raper. I don't like rape bad more movie. Whoa. Let me land. Wait.
Please take that back.
Wait.
Take
He's on
Let him land.
Ngilava mfethu angising is cover. Wait. Wait. Azwe ngisho kanjalo ne. Amashaka babhaya ne mostly ubheka awuthi mayimbi macha wena kutlo raper wena. Uyambelieve. Vela wena uyilezi vele yazibona lezi cute lezi. Khona kutlo rape hayi wena. That's why ngithi rape is only possible more movie.
Gift Maroka sinagani.
Ay, igama lami liyapi? Say right.
Ungakazi defend ne. Jam. Umuntu
So nezi mic wena.
gooning. Umuntu oshaya gooning mfethu.
Into eguningi inenza ukuthi nisaphe ukuthi mawushaya indlwabe. Just say umuntu oshaya indlwabe boy.
Umuntu oshaya indlwabe.
Sure.
Owning.
Sawa mantombazana.
Ah.
When a 365.
Oh, okay.
365.
Dog, I'd watch porn because I wanna recreate it.
Bro, there's a Kama Sutra. That's why you can.
Why dog? I'm not a
Into
reader, I'm a
yamandiya
real
leyo.
student. Ngifuna ukuyibona ingene iphume. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi maka
ufuna shayitela zamandiya lo
sibeke lapha. Hey.
Kama Sutra phela incwadi yamandiya
Guys. There is a book called 365. Ne? It has 300.
I know it.
uyazi lapho wena
But dog, not everyone is a reader, dog.
sifuna ukubona ndoda
Rather read. See,
helicopter
people that
Has
know
helicopter.
365 are telling me about helicopter. There's spider up here. Young sort.
itayela lezo
Read all
These are
those things.
gents
Like-
missionary doggy style aqede toilet anga
That's the problem.
oh yama helicopter
There's spooning. There's. Bro,
Wena
there's
uko
a
spontaneous.
lot- there's a
njalo
lot
uyazi
of
ngithini
stuff.
mina
Baba,
missionary
mntana.
dog style
Ngicela
check
ukukhatha ne.
It's in Tule once because
Wa tlisa phone ya ka.
Mamela, dog. Like, you have to be spontaneous, dog. What's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done in the bedroom?
athi
Dog, you have to be spontaneous.
lona wenze helicopter
People
lo
are gonna judge me.
Yeah,
king wenze helicopter lwena
ugcoka coat. Wavela ngento.
No. No, the freakiest thing I've done. You are
Sitshela
ngeke
ngesijudge.
sijudge we listen we don't judge
I know it's not gonna sound realistic, but yeah, it happened.
oh wenzeni
I no.
Sitshela ungasayi.
Hi guys, can I not answer that?
ah
Digital footprint, please. Hle.
Uzodelete in the next 2 years le episode. That's so be pants. How many episodes do we do, bra?
la ale phatha ngeke bayibona what dihabli
And abantu abaningi bambabukela ku podcast like
No,
abafiki la
I'm not freaky like that. Missionary, doggy, that's it. Yeah.
and uyazi uzothini.
helicopter ngizwa ngathi
Mara
Can I
ife.
please answer this?
All right, cool. Siyaphoza or senzani? Umfake ku loudspeaker.
Hello?
Sicela umfake ku loudspeaker.
Hello? Hi.
Fire loudspeaker.
Chilling with Papa and
Hello,
Spina.
you can hear me?
Shooting a podcast.
Yeah, I can hear you. Kemo is filled. But you can loudspeaker.
We want him or her on
But you
loudspeaker.
can loudspeaker.
is it him
Ngizwa ivoice yomchita.
No, I get we are busy shooting.
A podcast. Chilo nami.
episode 79
Yebo.
O batlo o tla o tlo mpona?
Uya.
uya manje
Aya queen.
ayakuyi yena
Oh yeah, I will send you my location.
mtshele speeds
Sharp.
How? Uye lo mchita umdawuthayi.
Uthe uyajola kajodi.
Uye lo mdawuthayi.
Umdawuthayi. Lo shitty.
you came to the wrong podcast and you started using your phone and that's lana you
Kissing guys, but this I have to do shem.
uye lo
Ntanga, what's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done, dog?
Yeah, tell us, Gifty.
ke stop yona
Stafiola. Okay. Okay, guys.
Staff has a gift, and what does gift have?
gift has a gift angithi
Okay.
yes
Ucini mic.
Okay. Tell us, my brother.
empeteni kwaye wheelbarrow fed
Oh, try that shit.
Guys, okay, sharp. Ne? Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Have you ever had sex, ne? Doggy, and then a girl farts?
Yes.
like farts
Yes, sir.
pussy
From the
Yes.
Spinya some
anus.
Sesenkang.
Wait, which kind of farting?
not quiff
Yeah.
umsuzo
Yeah.
Suzo.
Yes.
okay
Aye,
mina ngicela ukuntshela le ingcono ishoyo
What?
eish
Tell us.
Tell if you've ever done it, bro.
sengizoba amavuthela manje
Yini?
khona umntwana aphere angazi bukwenzakalani ngani
Hlanzela.
hayi wakaka boy
Stop. I stop.
for real though for real
Why? I'm motor. Why ukaka arin?
she didn't like uvela waphatha amahloni shem wathula the whole night walala
And then you had to comfort.
yeah
Mama shitty.
hayi like eish
Keep it a little serious.
yeah
I was Susari in the car on the sheets, boy.
She had to do it. I was not gonna do it. And she was not my
Whose sheets was it?
Yeah?
Whose sheets was it?
No, I put a towel.
But whose sheets was it?
Yo, dog.
Yeah.
Sinyama esingaka.
Ah,
So
bebe-
ikhanda lakho linokuthi zip zip.
Do you still have those sheets?
Wait, coming back to your question.
Yeah.
Have you ever like been in that situation?
No, I've never. I'm asking because sometimes like, wow, pipitlelo. Like it's pipitlelo like.
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
Ifikile mzuzu.
Sometimes I pipitlelo and then oka pinya, but then ish wanakana gore yo ba tlo judge.
It's Susan.
Suze.
Smells like roses.
And I come to shop at the back shows.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the most embarrassing sex scene you've ever? And like,
16.
yeah.
King what's upon and toes.
Yeah.
Fantasy,
No, like what's the most embarrassing thing that has happened during
sex, yeah. About young Todd. You small-minded midgets.
And we are midgets.
No, nothing actually.
So guys, hey.
Okay, now you prefer Lififi to avoid such things.
How mfethu so umbona ukuthi lime kanje likheve kanje liyenze kanje wena ufuna nje isiso man. Imali bona isiso man. Hey.
Kwala likithini.
Share fast do it.
So akunawo ma foreplay or ufuna yonke ebunyameni.
Oh, awukwazi ukwenza iforeplay ebumnyameni tang.
Dog.
Let's
Ngiyakhona, but
tomato sauce.
inkinga dog. Inkinga.
Red carpet.
Emma,
Red carpet.
Ki Japan.
Japan.
Red carpet.
Yana understand ebunyameni uzomangala
Yes,
yes.
Ima.
Ivoroso nayo seyamarinate manje.
This guy is it's a masosa mnandi.
Hayi muna amasosi.
Ukhipha lo ne sauce boy.
Hayi bo muna, tamati sauce hayi muna. Efaka lapha ichitheke.
Mpuceni mic.
Ngicela thathe imic lapho.
Mpuceni mic. Thank you.
Yes.
Hey, this is not for under 18s, eh?
Yeah. I've done it before, Mara. It's not as nice as you say it, dog.
Joe,
Maybe
personally,
it's in the mind because now you know gore this is the situation. Maybe like you have a distractanyana gore. Because you know what you're doing is wrong.
Let's be honest, sex is the most disgusting thing ever.
Ucayile ngale comment yakho. It's not
Very
disgusting.
disgusting. yeah.
personally ne ugelo semaprotein ngamshaya maybe sekazoqeda.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
lori eqaleni lapha angakashayi khona kakhulu.
Mara ngithi khona about different types of periods. Khona la ama heavy loader.
So you guys don't mind the smell?
Smells good.
Sekazi nalo musa.
Boy, tell I'm a crotch pad.
Crotch pads.
Most gents would have sex with a girl.
Yeah,
like
red
she's on
carpet.
a period. You've never done that before.
This is slow. Phikinte iningi namhlanje. Oh, kwale question le awuyibuzanga this week uyangidisappoint. Body count ring house. Oh, sa counter.
This year
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
Shout out this. The man. Nah, there's no way.
What's in this year?
Oh, this year.
This year or like my entire life.
Entire life.
Okay, let me count.
So if it's 4 already now, shit.
You're
Oma
pulling the
25.
numbers more than the podcast numbers.
No.
Yeah, that. Serious.
You know what's the thing? man?
5. 5.
Aye.
I'm telling you 5.
So how is it 4 this
year?
And then 5 the whole life. So kusho ukuthi wena since uqala kuba active bojola nomuntu oyi-1.
Yeah.
Alisa, tell us the
Yes.
truth. Tell us the truth.
Tell us the truth. Ngeke sikujudge.
Yes, we judge. We listen,
No,
we don't judge.
long-term relationships.
Oh,
What's your
Yes.
what's your longest relationship?
It was my bill. 15, 16, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Moment of silence.
5.
Wait.
It was 5 years.
We are pairing lamanga wako. Leyabuki moment of silence.
No, it was
Shout out.
5
Yo,
years.
5 years is a long time.
5 years.
What
It's a long
happened?
time.
Ooh,
We met when I was in high school, right? When I was like in grade
so
11.
umlobisanga lo mfana abantu until uzuqeda isikolo.
Uyo lo ayi-one.
Ke-
Lo ayi-one.
Actually, Kerry, like the reason
the
why
fuck
my
came
body
this year?
count.
Omkhulumela.
Wait.
I'm saying the body
Waza
count.
mina ngiya-expose manje. Wait. Angithi uyithene? Uyithe bongekho active when high school. You started being active after high school. So the whole time while ujona le out
No,
bongayinobisi.
active isn't like too much.
Hayi.
What do you mean?
Hayi.
Uthe wena you are not sexually active.
Active.
Expose from the sanctuary.
Ish, guys, I
Yeah.
was.
Exposed.
Fast.
Sikubacile.
Okay, yeah, my longest relationship, it ended because I met the guy in high school, and then after high school,
Oh, cheated.
I came to no.
You cheated.
No, we outgrew each other because ke goletse boarding school na ever since grade 1 until matric, so I never got to be exposed to groove and all these type of things. So immediately when after I matriculated, I came this side Kujubek, and you can understand city life, lifestyle,
City girl, new boys.
So I wanna expose.
Ubona amapipa amasha.
Ising mapipi hle.
Oh.
Mubibi. So
Yeah.
unesikhiya lo mjita ngavula anytime.
Gupi.
Obvious.
How?
Ah.
He's no longer around.
Answer umfake loudspeaker.
No, this is my sister.
Yeah, umfake loudspeaker.
Lesego.
Skamjit.
Loudspeaker.
Skamjit.
Eh? Letsamaile. Okay, sharp utan send the location ge ko le mo teng.
Uzoza nami.
Eh?
Uzoza nami.
Kabelo o teng.
Akatlali
sharp.
+1. Akatlali +1.
Lesego.
Abafuni boy.
Abafuni boy, hayi.
Asilale boy.
Ayamboni Popeye.
Ulisiho lo suka la manje.
Oh.
Oh, lo suka la manje nyamalele.
No, we
Mupipi.
Oh, uhlala around naye.
Uye kabu.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
alright.
Lokubuza.
This is not part of the pod.
Yeah.
But at the same time,
Hey.
uneski angabuyi avule.
No.
Why?
But you just
Because he went
each
back home.
other.
He went back home.
Yeah.
Yeah, makangeza manje.
Yeah.
Kuyatla no, kuyatla.
No, hell no. Mm-mm.
Oh,
Because our breakup
mangahlangana
was
naye
very-
eGroovino somewhere.
Our breakup was very nasty. Chances are I'll never see him again in my entire life.
Wait. So you outgrew each other, but the breakup was nasty.
We outgrew each other. That led to the nasty breakup.
Oh.
Because remember now, I'm being exposed to a lot of things. He doesn't understand that because then he has always been in Joburg.
What is
so
a lot
now,
of things?
Mupipi.
Club life. Yeah.
Kechilo
yeah.
ubone mapipa amasha.
It's not even about the PP.
Different types of sizes.
No.
Why it's the AFCON league?
So,
AFCON.
alright, guys.
Take.
Oh.
Please take that bag. Apologize.
Any mic.
I'm sorry.
Apologize.
Tempo any mic, guys.
Public.
Tempo any mic. Sekatayo uni. Hey. Mara, it was a thing of trust.
Yeah.
On
And
his
him
side,
being insecure, yes.
Go on, Febe.
No, I've never.
So high school, okay.
High school bera busy nabo, bera khoti kuku lapha.
Oh,
Yeah.
bunches. Bunches.
And I had a girlfriend in high school, guys.
Ngishilo. When are you light up on a lot to make the
Let me
episode?
show you my girlfriend. Let me show you.
The biggest movie.
Why is this searching? Dog,
Eh la rasa lona.
please, ngicela ras ni.
La rasa.
Uzoxoshwa.
Arase.
We are live here. Dog, what? Like, what do you think happens after you die?
Eh muhle lo mntwana
Moment
shit.
of silence.
So jola le yena leno.
R.I.P.
Wa jola mo le nteng. Ah, mo jetso la hle motho ha e ke teng.
She doesn't stay in South Africa anymore.
Wait,
Wait.
AFCON.
Manyamazi lo mntwana lo.
Khalil.
Oh. Okay, feed it. Let me not say it. Nyamazi.
Even I'm Nyamazi.
Okay.
Hey Mugel muhle yo.
Hey, uyayibona body ya shabakalitswele yo.
Unomkhino. Hey, beninyana amabhontshisi musa. Hey.
The podcast like serious le.
Hey, she's thick, eh?
Yeah,
Make them
done.
thick. Just like you.
Ehle, I'm
Oh,
skinny.
oh,
So type how kwena.
oh.
You are your own type.
Used to be, yeah.
So ufuna ilenda. Nami ngithanda ilenda.
No, when? That's nice.
Teresa.
Do you still like girls?
No.
No, not anymore. Also basically about put peer pressure.
Yeah.
You saw everyone doing it. I
I feel like every girl has a lesbian stage.
No.
Ke go borega ntle.
Amantombazana dog wonke ama lesbian. Amantombazana they don't mind ukujwala nenye intombazana.
Yeah.
Was it
They don't
nice to
see
join
that
an
disgusting.
Ntombazana?
It was very nice.
She looks nice. I
It was
understand why.
very nice.
Yeah, she's
Like,
nice,
yo,
yo.
ngwana le nang rata hle. Yo. Le nna ne ke mo rata.
Akahlala South Africa sure. Amela ngibukele flight lo ya.
Now fang so.
Yephi?
Now fang so.
Namkhotha kuku.
Isitovia.
How ndoda.
Awumfethu.
Ecaba wayabotshela ba prefer utshwana nabanye abotshela. It's solely because of that thing like amajita wayikhoti kuku.
Hale khoti, have you khoti?
Ayina kayikhotha yo.
Wena wa khoti.
Nami ke talented ibini.
Bye goes by diva. Bye diva.
There's this thing enginokuyenza and bengizonibonisa mara ihlala ithusa abantu mara feri. Impintsha mi igayi negama. Antona wena ushapa dragoon wena.
Uyazithengisa stuff. Oh no, okay.
Yeah.
Sharp dragon. From now on,
It's man now sankhulumeni.
Yeah, dragon, you were fire breathing on it, boy.
Hey. Uma la posidlulile mfethu.
I have a question. Ezonyenza kanje umqondo.
Okay. Uzoshokha umqondo. Shuket.
Yeah, that's my question now. When writing a suicide letter, do you first start by greeting or uyavalelisa?
Goodbye world.
You start by appreciating.
The question is, do you start by greeting or kuvalelisa?
None of the
Suicide
above.
letter.
None of
Suicide
the
letter.
above.
None of the above.
None of the above.
So myself
Appreciate, as she said.
Yeah.
You appreciate.
Ngeke nazama ukubhala ama suicide letter.
No, I've never.
I have one in my
Hey, man.
archives
Hey man. Bofuna ukuzibulala.
ufuna ukuzibulala.
because you're about to end your life.
Okay,
that you were
kule
keeping.
letter yakho bo appreciate wena.
The life that my parents gave me.
Why bofuna ukuzibulala?
Why ufuna ukuzibulala?
Yo, bafethu nike nabona bafethu
Umjolo, ne?
mosopemizol pusjwala approve every weekend ngapha you still in high school and your parents say leave the house like baxosh
So bofuna ukuzibulala.
mphani
Mina ngizofuna.
Athi ufuna ukuzibulala for ukuthi
like I didn't understand at the time why my parents are angry. I'm like, I'm having the time of my life.
Mina ngiyophuza please.
I have seen fuck this shit ngiyozibulala. That's what you
ngiyozibulala like ngathatha umese abawaziyo ukuthi lo
Manje
mese
uyozibulala
uyabo.
ngani?
Yima yawuza ngithini
Okay,
ngathatha umese lo mawunyamalala ekitchen bayazi ukuthi
something's wrong.
awukho lo mese lo ya anginasibindi ntwana like bengithi ngiyoshaya amavein la esandleni yabo mangifika lapha eJuice
Yes.
K
Hey dog.
mengisahlala lapha eCentral eJuice mangifika eJuice K ngithi ngeJuice K nje mangifika eJuice K
Tana, you even went there. I'm serious.
bro I left the notes nga eJuice K mangifika eJuice K ngashawa egwababa yabona le yagwababa ka Siv
Sure.
mara hayi amantombazana impilo yakho ngashawa egwababa ngathi it saved me
Lapho saphethe umesi.
ngisawuphetha u-anto ambo ma last year ubuye ngishayele
Let's wrap it
isithombe
up.
saleya lentoze leya suicide note she sent it to me I still have it
Okay, Mara, before we wrap it up, I have a story again. Excuse me. So faka my number we helpline. La ngithi mayo so right.
Yeah, get help, guys.
05
Let's get help.
0000. Ngikhumbuze ngizokusendela ama number Mara before we leave. Hey Joel, I found a story, ne? it's out there on the net, ne? But apparently, this guy made a video. Actually, it's a video on Twitter.
Hello.
This guy, ne?
Yeah.
But uthi lo mchita lo checkers, ne? If isitoko sihlale 10 days checkers. Bayas shiftisa basise Shoprite, bayasithengisa Shoprite. Mahlala 10 days Shoprite, bayas shiftisa basisa uSave.
Yes.
That's the thing.
Yes. I-box ayonithola from Pick n Pay.
Oh, niyazelaphi?
Tanga.
Hey dog, that's crazy. Dog uzothi uSave ku cheap kanti it's all stock.
It's old stock.
Guys, le verify le fact the story to
There's a video. There's a video.
Mara lento lethu inoni lento lena mos.
I
It's
even
public
saved it.
vele.
No, I didn't know that.
Oh.
Dog nama didn't know. I
That's why.
found it. I found out the
Okay.
table.
Why ama baked beans eShoprite nase-Checkers angafani? Ngeprice. What's the
Maybe
difference?
it's
Bas stock up.
Supplier, maybe. Now dog which was the supplier, but then it kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
Why is there a Shoprite and a uSave?
Exactly.
And ama uSave and another thing ekhona ukuthi ama uSave wathole kasi kuphela.
And even.
Shoprite uthola townships nyana so.
Yeah.
So obvious ukuthi istock is fresh soqala eCheckers hype.
Yeah.
I-Checkers uyithola phi yona?
Staqini.
Esicacile.
Asibona.
Akuna Checkers
The
la
birds.
force.
And what if start Woolworths? Checkers.
I-Woolworths ayinama affiliation. I-Woolworths mayine store sakudala. They donate that shit.
But then what if Checkers does the same? Mara khona lesithatha Shoprite. Your 10 my brother. Singhlulile. Lama
Baniki
Shoprite.
Shoprite.
Last week.
I think sona bayenzi. Yazi bayenzani? Base like izinto ezinga expire fast. Yizo bazihambisa yabona ama tin stuff.
But phela
rice,
istoko ukuthi manje sihleli maybe 10 days or something like that because I really dog like if maybe it's like a week sihlele a week let's shift to another store.
That's why stock taking
but I think that's the thing. Yo ne story saka Mlindo the vocalist. Yes.
Enzeni Mlindo manje? Bamrepeal. Oh.
Umlindo dog baby mama yakhe dog was on a rant dog on Instagram athi mntwana yo I wish being okay
In 2 minutes noodles.
Ntanga how
2 minutes noodles.
But uyazigakela dog.
Oh.
Entanga ngicela check ukuthi do you have time
That's better.
ngifunde fast this thing.
That's better than being a 2 minutes noodles.
Uyazinyela bathi le yazichamela iyazigakela maseyidakwe kakhulu.
Hawu nama.
Swear. So it's me mama yakhe but then uyala release a statement
accuse go wa moshapa.
On the 2th of November.
let me baba bangisendele. But ukhiphe ne statement. Hey, why manje?
On the 2th of November mupola children.
Bayacebisa.
On the 2th of November.
Nasi maphephandaba posting.
Ubani maphephandaba?
Maphephandaba is the most reliable thing ongehlangana naye ne. So okay ngizovele ngifunde straight to this to your things mara
Ucheka Lindo leya.
uye dog.
Yes.
But then now ne bathi he is nothing like the song he sings.
Hambe nama place.
And remove me from your page. I'm embarrassed to even be with you. Your side bitches be laughing at you posting me, nigga. I don't know why. But yeah, his boys that he lives with at the house drink with him and will cover for him whenever I'm abused. Yeah.
So ubani abuse money?
Umlindo allegedly abuser the baby mom. Ne?
Mama kaMlindo leya ngebele lihle kanje. Shit.
But his GNA ngazini or guy or in try his gang try make the case go away because his dad is a cop. I like wait, what's the GNA?
GNA.
Yeah, but his
Gay nigga ass.
Oh yeah, play well. Yo, his gay nigga ass make the. Yo, I don't know, Choma. Yeah, that's apparently babake what so wait when a dog. So I'm tired I'm so tired of keeping quiet because he's afraid to lose his career. But I've had enough.
Une career. Oh.
He's a fraud and a drunk who shits and urinates himself whenever he is drunk too. Whenever he's too drunk. Specs. Nyabona clearly. Shit and piss that I had to clean with my bare hands. Dog. Lastly, he does.
Uncle one. Who's all 18?
But
That was just one instance, my brother. And I didn't clean it. I'm going to
at least umenza ukuthi azihlinele hey dog but lastly he doesn't do anything for me or for my child because I felt baby mama by the way I felt sorry for him. He has other kids and he had his mother and her kids that he takes care of, so I buy everything for us. That's why people say when I left I cleaned him out of his apartment. Dog mara izwa lento engisho
lo mntana lona beka hlina makaka kaMlindo
sho kanjani
uhambe namaplace
hey dog
wayangahambi nawo lo mntana
athi futhi uthanda ukutshafaza kakhulu ngiyayifunda manje senge summarize bathi uthanda ukutshafaza
uyanyoba vele
hey dog bathi
okay manje ngoba athi beka ngafuna ukumexpose ngenxa yecareer ipi career akhuluma ngayo
dog uMlindo antakana career uMlindo tanga is a hitmaker dog
hitmaker was
dog izwa le uthi
tshela ngama husband
okay the things men will do just so that they can leave the house and sleep in hotel with another woman. The fact that he claims I never give him vagina when he gets back because my spirit knows what's being done when he leaves the house. Mlindo is a fraud. He beat me up and hit my baby on her head with his phone. Yeah, bashwanja to be washangusi ngefone. But then afterwards but ngile ngatholi ukuthi uyela release statement wathi hayi lento ayishilo issue out of anger and mara dog isn't
The lady.
Yeah, the lady.
Out of anger. Which anger?
Uzuthi uyazi but
uyazinyela. Angiqamba manga into enjalo. Mangikwatele ngathi lo people ncane, you know, like typical girl things to do. Leyo kuzinyela uyithathe iplento le.
Ndikukele yakele ku internet but asikho la. Yeah. It's in the internet.
Wait.
So, just look it up.
Awubona inhle feni.
Post ubani manje? I think you all repostile ukuthi
Inhle feni.
Is it on X?
yeah, it's on X.
Is it beautiful? Uyambona yena vele umbhekile ukuthi hey. Antana let's keep it up. Mahlatsi uzashaya.
Yeah, that story dog.
Uzashaya mahlatsi.
Uhambe nama place uhambe. I want to beyaculela abantu. Hey, Marasona's fresh feed and like yo, Lindo dog.
How's anything you want to?
Yeah.
We're ripping it up.
I've got nothing to say. It was nice being here, guys.
Yay.
Nothing about Ivy Park or something.
No.
Lo yazina simiyekela ngasakhuluma ngoba ucamba manga yabona wathi ka DJ.
Aki
So,
DJ
yeah.
lehle.
Awu DJ. Why when come to DJ?
Umuntu DJ uyambona.
Kanti kwenzakalani kanti?
Ubhusa sekabuyile, ubhusa sekabuyile yo, eish. Elani. Khuluma, wrapping it up, khuluma boy.
Magafira, I have nothing to see. Yeah.
Alright guys.
Let's wrap it up.
From me and my team.
On that note, hi.
Yeah. Nangu umunye ufuna ukukhuluma.
Keep my file nje ubutho DJ.
Besithi ayep, sisayivula
Keep my
futhi.
file na nje ubutho DJ.
Hey, keep on my file.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep up
Keep
there.
my file.
Hey.
Which one do you prefer? Conversations in my video or it one?
How?
One of us.
Tell my video, boys. Tell my video.
My video.
Yeah.
But I know. Was
How? So qedile. Boss Thomas.
Uyasiqonisela ukuthi manje uphatha ama archives.
Next episode ngizokhipha yonke into.
Hola dog.
Ciao.
Sure. 100.
Wait, shaying snippets.
Yeah.
Shaying
Next
snippet.
episode ngikhipha yonke into.
Yes.
Alright.
Shaying snippet ke ukuthi yini kumele si expect yini into ukuthi uzoyabuya.
No, I keep it. I think means you look me to be.
Wena.
Yewena.
Fucking woohoo.
Popeye no spinner they are signing out. Angazi why.
Signing out.
Yeah, signing out.
Yeah, from me your boy Popeye.
Spinner ngayi, uspinner ngayi.
When I keep boy, yeah. Love stuff.
Nake stuff.
Okay.
The whole time uhleli nathi la usazi.
That stuff.
From us. It's baba kanti.
Yini qivala ishow.
Kanti ndoda. Mahlathi.
Intanga ziyadlala lapha.
Kanti awushaya it's a rap. It's a rap.
Nelesigqoko sakho lesi.
Ufana nase Russia.
Shout out.